Hello and welcome, and today we'll be trying out this Tuborg Guld Pilsner, an original, with 5.6%. Oh, let's try it out. Cheers. Pretty good, I would say. It's a little bit stronger than your normal Tuborg, but the taste's not that far off in my opinion. If it's on sale, you should try it. If it's not, then just get a regular Tuborg. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.